siasa ya Gusii abasae babeire bagotengwa babeire bagotigara isiko kero kende twabeire togotumeka ku uplift the seasoned politicians asendoyo mobo tindachaka siasa rero lakini nabeire na inchengo tumeka gusuguma aba seasoned politicians igagerire nga tuachire twatebire muna abasae we have to have our voice heard araria asemesa ntutete gukwanira kando gari itutete gochemesa gaiga to discussing na kiriba gari omosae ngairire for that reason tumuna abasae ntochete ne kiombe kekoro kwanga Gusii Youth for Youth movement abu asendo omo chairman inki kiombeke kegokora ikiombeke etutete gose already tuabekire abana siasa bare abana youth abasae gose slightly above which we have set the age 45 years and below kobe member yo ya GYM wejo bakorigie birogo across Kisii and Nyamira chi county cheito ibere chia Gusii reason yekogera togo koreke ningi etutete gotebia all these season politicians to asugumire for all this time inga it's far too long to akorirega bono it is our time na inu moira ni okoboko particularly munekerogo kyobwe MCA ekerogo kyobwe MCA kero kyo ndote dikorora yani muntu uri 40 years gochiabuga ngane kerogo kyago ja
gomwate irengo we MCA
botaka kikero kyo ndote degetigara sabasae aikonye goikire miaka 40 gochigoro gendo rate mu bochumbe konye goikira 45 gochigoro robo sende tarorubo kafa bono that is what we are doing and I'm calling upon abana siasa barabasae across Gusii but to join yamagoko toruanirire gente keiga there is nothing for us without us nabotogote